Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to Clothes I Kept Until I Was Skinny, and now that I'm quote-unquote skinny, we're here. I am 2 to 3 pant size down, and I've lost 35 to almost 40 pounds. I'm kind of nervous because a lot of the clothes that we're revisiting today, you guys might recognize or remember from peak Faye days. She peaked back in her 20s. I would like to take this time just to say thank you to the little community on my previous video. Not a lot of you guys watched it, which is totally fine. For a long time, I've been battling this, like, what's my purpose? Although these little silly, goofy haul videos are fun, and yes, there's always like a lesson to take away with body image, I've been searching for something deeper. Of course, it's influenced by the season of life I'm in right now. Comments on that video, you guys are literally handing me the answer. I really hope you guys see the intention behind it, but not just that, it's the creative process that I'm channeling and challenging myself to go through again. I used to be such a hoe for editing. The fact that I get to execute the storyboard in my mind into a little tiny project, hopefully help others. Again, this sounds so silly because literally 5 of you guys watched that video, but it means more than any videos I've ever created, honestly. You're like my sister, my family. I just want to be there for you too. For all that you've done for me and been here for me. I'm also on my period and my emotions are working overtime. Let's just jump into the haul. I'm so sorry that was so long. You don't understand how long this has been haunting me in my closet. I'm pretty sure I got this from Miji Woo, which is J-Hope's sister. Okay, low-key, I hated this set, but I kept it for this long because I was like, one day when I lose more weight and I'm like Korean girls, I'm gonna wear this and it's just gonna look good. It's not so much about this short sleeve blazer top. Don't comment right now. It's about these pants. Oh gosh. Look, see what I mean? Look at this. You would think 4 years later, and yes, I know guys, it's not about me and my body, it's about the clothes. Hear me out. A lot of times we buy clothes because of the way the model makes it look. I knew no better back then. It doesn't make my eyes bleed. I can confidently pull this off, but in this case, it's not so much about how it looks on me, it's whether or not I feel comfortable in this, and right now I can tell you straight up, I don't. There is no room for mistake down here. So easy for us to compare our bodies to the thin, skinny, beautiful Korean models, but the reality is they have no body fat. As an American, this is still criminal. Isn't it crazy that even though I lost almost 40 pounds, my body, this body right here that I'm in, is still considered obese in other parts of Asia, all of Asia. Cutting all ties, no longer holding on to it. Doesn't serve me, doesn't satisfy me. If anything, I just feel bad for the Faye who was like, no, I'm gonna keep it until I'm skinny. Like, I think about the Faye 4 years ago. I'm glad she's growing up. Who was gonna tell me back then? Who was gonna tell me? I was obsessed with these little tanks because they literally swallowed in the girls. But who was gonna tell me I looked like Patrick Star in his boots? Hello? I mean, okay, now, if it's fine. This one actually looks better now that I've lost some weight. I don't know, like it had such a negative connotation all these years. I don't like the attachment to it. Also, I look like I'm a naked mole rat from far away. Can I say it feels so much better on my body now than then? My gushers were spilling to the point where like it would give me back pain. Like it was hurting that much. Now, I feel free. I feel good in this. It highlights what I want it to highlight without me looking absolutely demolished back there. I need to stop shitting on myself though, because for a long time, my mindset was also like, if you feel good in it, like just fucking wear it. Who cares what everyone else thinks? Got to find a balance. That doesn't mean I wasn't saying that with like a slight white lie. If I want to wear this when I'm 30 pounds heavier again, even if it hurts my back, if I feel good and I feel like I finessed, then let it be. You're coming home with me. Oh my gosh, not my whole top. I hoed in this, okay? When I was popping off in this top, I was around 135, 140. Of course, my toxic mind remembers that. And I was popping off. I was using Snapchat. Do the kids still do that? I made a promise to myself that going forward, I am not gonna open up Snapchat anymore because I'm a woman. The DMs were popping in this little top. And for that matter, maybe it's not worth keeping this anymore because like, do we want that energy? Do we want immature, childish, hoey, Faye energy?
Denial is a river in Egypt.
Holy moly, it's just as tight as I recall. I mean, it looks good. I don't like the memories in this because it just makes me think back to like my dating era. And I'm like, you were really lucky you're the one who got me. Because look at her. She looks good. You were the one who got me, yet you were the one who couldn't cherish me. I don't like this top, the baggage. Ugh, I'm just at a place where I just get the ick when I think about it. If there's one thing I learned from my past relationships, it's the fact that I need to be more selfish. They are constantly thinking about themselves only when we lover girls are over here giving them the world, being like, we can build it together. And yet they're over there just thinking about themselves the whole fucking time. I need to wear this top to therapy. It's just disgusting behavior. It's just so icky. I can't. I don't like it. I mean, girls, you look good. Nothing against you, honey boo boo. Can't carry this energy into this year. Sorry for the mature content. We are 30. Oh my gosh, I'm turning 31 in 5 months. This top though, it does snatch in your waist. It doesn't budge. The busticles are busting and they feel trustworthy. Gotta cleanse. I'm just so happy I'm at this place today. Couldn't be me yesterday, you know? Easy, simple, trashing it, not worth it. Icky. Okay, so I have this skirt. There's a story with the skirt. I bought this for my shop. I bought a bunch to launch on That's Her Shop. That's my boutique that I still like kind of stand still. I personally want to model it because it's my shop. I remember putting on this skirt, I cried. I hated the way it looked on me. To be frank, I had such low self-esteem in my body at the time. I loved this acid wash. I loved the sage green, the asymmetrical siding. Because I was at such a low place with my body, I didn't want to promote my boutique that was all about body positivity when I felt so low and damaged by my own. It just felt wrong. And that's the thing, like I want to believe in the message behind my shop and I didn't at the time. And I was like, I can't lie. Like, what's that gonna do for anyone? However, now that I have grown a lot mentally, I do have a couple of these skirts laying around. Even this one, as you can tell, it doesn't fit me still in a different way. I'm just gonna give them to you guys if you want the skirt. If you've been a long time supporter of these hauls or in my boutique, like I would love to give you one of these skirts. Super cute. Pockets. I love that the claps and the buttoning goes to the side. There's an asymmetrical cut. Like everything about this. Not fully sage, not fully gray. It's just this nice ashy wash. DM me on Instagram. Cute back pockets? Come on. It's supposed to be more midi too, but for me, it's kind of long. Maybe if I wear a medium or even a small. I think this runs a little bigger anyway. Okay, now this. Back then, the only thing holding on this strapless corset were the tatas. And now that the tatas shrunk, like there's nothing gripping it. There's not much structure to it anyway. Very like flexible, thin fabric. It's a cute cut. Love the pointy front as well, the skirt. Sorry. Funny I kept it until I was skinnier, but then now it's like, girl, you have nothing to hold it. Out it goes. Okay, here's another set that you guys may or may not remember years ago. I got this from Style Evelette when I modeled with the plus size girlies in Korea. They gave me this set just to like, here, you can take it, girl. The skirt actually fits really well now. Perfectly, if anything. It has a little scrunch at the back. There's buttons on the side. Very cute. It is a little lengthy for my liking. It comes with this matching blazer on top, which is super cute, but let's not roll up the sleeves. I don't know. Do I like it? I kind of feel like I outgrew this style. It's very K style, you know? There's such good memories in this outfit. Like I got the chance to model for a plus size brand in Korea, and I got the opportunity because I was making hauls of their clothes before, and then they invited me. A memorable experience. However, I must say, I do think that phase of Faye being addicted to K-style, some may have called her K-boo. I was just very immersed in the culture, the music, the food. Okay, you can't blame me that I had crushes on K-pop stars, okay? Listen, we all do. That phase of Faye, I don't think is no longer there. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Aww. I did expect this to feel oversized, but it fits perfectly fine. The mathing, just confirmation that yes, this body is still plus size in Korea. I think we're letting it go. Aww. It's on Poshmark. I don't know why I kept this top. Honestly, not the best quality. I think I'm just drawn to green, so I was like, yay. I don't know why I overhyped it. Also, I love Mika's. I've only bought things from them once, and then my second experience was horrible because there was a lot of mishap in the process of obtaining my package. It's not Mika's fault. I'm sure in the future I'll do another haul. That's Karma telling me to shut the fuck up. I have a bad ankle, okay? My package delivery situation was horrible. I understand things happen. I liked the color, the style of it. I thought it had a fun upper top. Now having it on, I'm like, no. This is definitely the same as Yes Style quality, and you can find this less than 10, I'm sure, on Yes Style. But Mika's marked it up when it's like all the same manufacturer. Anywhoosies, it doesn't look good on me. Who let me keep this? When I first had this outfit, I did feel like it was a little too small on me, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep it, but not significant to the point where I was like, I'm tossing it. I was like, oh, I just need to lose like a couple more pounds. I'm at my smallest and this still feels so tight. Like, not the pants. These shorts are super cute. It looks like a little skirt, but the top, I think it's the busty trusties. It's just so tight. Can we breathe? I don't know. It's just enough room for me to get into, but to live in? No, not a turquoise. Turquoise? I've always felt like turquoise was very like old granny-esque. Very cute set. Also, the tightness on the side of the chesty besties is wild. Ooh, let the dog out. See, I'm even out of breath just standing here talking to you guys. I feel like a spring roll up here. These shorts are fun though. I love how it kind of blends in the camo. Wait a second. But when I walk, you could totally see, huh? Yeah. Oh, you guys probably don't remember this, but I do. Maybe if you went to KCON New York 2019. I remember scrunching this siding so much. It's still in the place that I left it. I was trying to blend my stomach. Gotta blend the stomach, gotta blend the stomach. But now I don't even freaking care. It's just the fact that it still fits me though. Because for a while it did not. I always went with like a set because 1, low impact, 2, low effort, easy, and you look put together. I almost want to keep this just for the memes. They're still there. Oh no, a button just came off. My butt must have looked horrific back then, but I was brave, okay? Back then when I wore it, I just thought, oh my god, so fun. And then now I have this on and I just feel like a lady. I will say the sleeves are super uncomfy. It's so tight, suffocating. The whole body looks fine, feels good. I do remember it being tighter in this area back then, but looser up here. So it's kind of funny that it's looser down here and tighter up here now. That just goes to show your body changes so much in 5 years. 6. A woman's body is so powerful, so beautiful. The fact that we create human beings, life inside of us, we need to treat this like a temple. I am sorry to past versions of me where I did not value that. All because I associated my body as an external value versus what it can do, how powerful, how amazing we are as women. Cherish it, damn it. I'm waking up from all this stupid materialistic surface level crap. Perhaps I'll wear this in the future, but for now I'm solely keeping this because of the memories, the accomplishments of my career. I need to stop belittling what I do. You never know, maybe one day I'll frame this. I kept this for so long. When Hallara started getting popular in engagement on TikTok, I bought this one and I bought a black medium one, but I was like too intimidated to pull out the black one. So I was like, let me just start small. This is a large, really suck you up. I love how it holds the girls in. You could totally play pickleball in this. I did clamp it together at the back. It's longer on me. It looks like a school skirt, a uniform skirt, which I hate on me. Maybe I'm traumatized by middle school. We had to wear uniform. The bodysuit underneath is the best feeling ever. It feels so snug. I love Hallara. Honestly, they have some dope pieces. The busticles look nice. The waist looks snatched. The no booties hidden. The length though. That's probably why I opted to get pieces in a medium, but I am so intimidated to try on the black one. I struggled so much getting in and out of it. I was so angry. Guess I'm fearful of feeling that way again because I love Hallara stuff. I don't want to be upset at it. I mean, look at this. We'll save it for next time. The tag is still on, and then it kind of got like this green stain at the back. I don't know why or from where. It's just been sitting in my closet. Yeah, maybe I'll give this to my niece or I can put it on my Poshmark. I don't know. It's a cutie piece, but it's not serving my thighs or my legs, and I love my thighs. And that is the end of clothes I kept until I was skinny enough. So now that I'm skinny enough, I'm putting it on, and I kind of like it. I kind of don't like it. It just depends on what it is. Thanks for joining in on another episode of this. I'm sure there will be more to come. I will see you on Sunday. Get up and go heal. Love you. Bye.
Tell me what you do